Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. With investors increasingly looking beyond Jamaica's traditional tourism centers, the government says the South Coast is poised for growth. State Minister in the Ministry of Industry, Investment and Commerce, Delano Seiveright, today revealed the progress toward the development of the Treasure Beach Aerodrome, describing it as a key part of the region's economic future. Here's Anthony Lugg with that report.
7 months ago, Hurricane Melissa tore through sections of St. Elizabeth and destroyed just about anything within its path. It broke light poles, trees, but what it didn't break was the spirit of the people. Today, government officials, developers, and investors argue that Jamaica's story is just the reason why this country remains viable to invest.
I think if you don't invest in the next 3 to 5 years, in 10 years from now, you're going to be kicking yourself. I mean, I look at where Jamaica is right now. It's like investing in Microsoft in the 70s. And you know it's going to go up. You know it's going to have this explosion in stock value. And why not?
State Minister in the Ministry of Industry, Investment and Commerce, Delano Seiveright, outlined a range of projects set to get underway in a matter of months.
So we're going to be expanding the Treasure Beach Aerodrome, right? It's going before the Ministry of Finance next month to the Public Investments and Appraisal Branch. Government bureaucracy. Nonetheless, it's happening. What we're going to do is to extend the runway, extend the facilities there so that we can at least take private jet traffic, not commercial flights like JetBlue or American Airlines. Private jet traffic. So that's happening as we speak. The studies have already been done. The feasibility studies are done. It's now within the government now to work through the processes to get the project enacted and done.
Today I toured the Treasure Bay Estate here in Treasure Beach, and the developer Bernard Henry is excited about what's to come. He explained that community tourism is growing tremendously in this area, and so this is what he said.
From the people who come here, they want to stay. I mean, part of what has happened is that a lot of people come here initially as visitors, spend a month, that might be extended to 2 or 3. They leave, they come back and they buy something. That's what's been happening. This is, this area is probably the Villa Mecca of Jamaica at this point in time. I mean, a lot of stuff is going on. I mean, week to week things change. The amount of buildings that you see happening.
I was told many years ago lands here were reasonable, and now the prices have gone so far north, and we haven't even had the airport yet, we haven't had the highway construction yet, and we haven't had other developments yet. So if you invest now, I can assure you, your investment may triple or quintuple within 5 years.
True.
It is very possible.
So with all these plans in place for Treasure Beach, those who attended the Tropics conference are insisting that it creates a real opportunity for investment and community tourism. The question now is how long it will take. Reporting from Treasure Beach in St. Elizabeth, I'm Anthony Lugg for TVJ News.